It's hard to believe that here in Roanoke, Virginia, the snow is still falling at 10 o'clock at night. Forecasters predict about 10 inches of the white stuff before the storm passes through our area by tomorrow night. Now, in Wisconsin, where I grew up, this is typical winter weather, usually beginning in November, lasting until February or March. There, after the snow falls, it gets really cold, and so the snow stays on the ground for several weeks and even months. But here, chances are it's going to get warmer over the weekend, and all of the snow will melt. So by Monday morning, this winter wonderland will be just a memory. Until then, we're going to just enjoy the beauty of the season through the windows.